here at the Los Angeles Zoo. As you just saw, this is a natural behavior free-flighted bird show. You're going to be seeing birds from all around the world, but first we're going to kick things off with a member of one of the best talking parrot species in the world. This is Nipper. She's a yellow-naped Amazon. Nipper, can you say hello? Hello. Very nice. Now, not only is Nipper a great talker, but she's also a great singer. But like any true professional, she knows how important it is to always warm up. Can you warm up? One more time, warm up. All right, she's got a song prepared for you guys. Get ready. Anybody recognize that tune? That was her special parrot version of How Much Is That Doggy in the Window. She does leave the doggy part out of the song. When it comes to doggies, she's kind of a chicken. Are you a chicken? Wow, dead silence. Okay. Nipper, can you do a chicken? There we go, but she loves cats. And being a chicken, she is pretty fond of roosters. Very nice there, Nipper. All right, well, Nipper and I would like to leave you with one final thought on parrots, and that is that we know it's very cute when they're speaking our language. However, more often than not, they're speaking their own, which I'm sure you're aware sounds more like this. Nipper, can you scream? Yeah, not so easy on the ears. All right, it has been a pleasure as always. Can you give everyone a big kiss goodbye? There we go. Good job, Nipper. Let's hear it for our yellow-naped Amazon. Great job. Now, conservation has always been very important to us here at the Los Angeles Zoo, as well as the world of birds, and we are always looking for ways to show our guests just how beautiful and intelligent our birds are. And whenever possible, we'd like to try and get our guests involved. Now, we have managed to combine all of these things into one. This is Baby Bird, and he is demonstrating a behavior that you guys are going to get to try at the end of the show. Now, he's not quite ready yet, but we like to bring him out and get some time with an audience while learning his behavior. And at the end of the show, we have a military macaw. Her name is Pickle, and she'll be helping raise funds for endangered species, like, for example, the blue-throated macaw. Brazil and Bolivia. They actually have a diet that consists of several types of palm nuts, and they're actually smart. They have learned to prefer the nuts that have been processed a bit for them through the digestive tracts of the local cattle. You get what I'm saying there. Now, young hyacinths mature very slowly, and they're known for their enduring dependence on their parents. One pair is usually only able to raise about one fledgling every other year. Conservation efforts are ongoing for the hyacinth macaw, and Luna and Venus here were zoo bred for species management. They are ambassadors for their cause here at the World of Birds show. Now, even without human interference, all species face challenges for survival. Dangers that lurk within their habitat known as predators, like this African serpent eagle known as a battledore. Battledore eagles spend much of their day on the wing, covering up to 250 square miles in a single day. They have thick scales on their feet that scientists believe are protection against the venomous snakes that they might like to eat in the wild. And they'll also go after lots of other different types of prey, including carrion. Now, the battledore eagle is a species of concern, and wildlife biologists are monitoring their populations closely to determine just how concerned we need to be. Azuri here is coming along in his training, and we are trying to bring him out for longer and longer periods of time to get closer and closer to you guys. So great job, Azuri and Mallory. Now, some of the birds of prey possessing silent flight, night vision, and incredible hearing are the raptors known as owls. And this is one of the largest among them, the Eurasian eagle owl. These guys possess massive feet and talons for grasping really large prey, including small antelope and even other nighttime predators like foxes and lynx. Now they have additional stealth attributes. Their camouflage plumage allows them to remain totally unseen, while their incredible night vision helps them pinpoint prey. They even have sound locating features, including ears that are asymmetrical. They have one ear way up here and one ear way down here for above and below sound locating. So suffice it to say, for the Eurasian eagle owl, finding a meal is rarely a problem. Now, eagles, you've already seen one eagle, and they are the most magnificent of the raptors. This is Nima, our African fish eagle. She may look a little familiar to you. She is a close relative of our national bird, the American bald eagle. Both fish eagles and bald eagles do hunt mainly fish. They have talus-like pads on the bottoms of their feet called spicules that help them to grip on their slippery prey and hold on. Now, being from Africa, these guys can actually take down larger prey as well, including the occasional fully grown flamingo. They're famous throughout Africa for their loud and unforgettable call, which has earned them the nickname, the Voice of Africa. Now, we do have another African fish eagle out on exhibit. If you guys stand in front of her exhibit long enough, I guarantee you'll hear that loud and unusual call. Well, our next raptor is going to be demonstrating some of the aerobatic prowess that birds of prey possess. I'd like to draw your attention to the top of the hillside behind me, where our male Harris's hawk is waiting patiently to dazzle you with his prowess for the hunt. Here to assist is Courtney, who's going to be launching a small leather lure high up into the sky to simulate a bird in flight, giving Flash just a moment to react and us just a glimpse of his amazing hunting abilities. So without further ado, from the top of the hillside behind me, this is Flash. Which is really unthinkable in raptor behavior. But perhaps what the Harris hawk is best known for is the social aspect of their lifestyle. They're found living in colonies, and they practice group hunting. They'll take turns chasing down a prey item, thereby increasing their chances of a successful kill, which they'll then share. This pack behavior has earned these guys the nickname the Wolves of the Sky. While some of you may be aware of our California Condor Recovery Program here at the Los Angeles Zoo, here to help us represent the California condor is the closely related and equally magnificent Andean condor. This bird is the largest member of the vulture family and the biggest flying bird in the Western Hemisphere, with a wingspan of 11 feet and weighing up to 30 pounds. I'd like to introduce, she's going to fly right over our stage. This is our Andean condor, Sunshine. The Andean condor's numbers were once diminishing, but thanks to a recovery program, their numbers are back on the rise. And we hope to do the same here at the LA Zoo for the closely related California condor, whose numbers at one time reached as low as 22 individuals. Thanks to another record year here at the LA Zoo, their numbers are back up to over 475 birds, many of which have been released back into the wild. So it just goes to show conservation really can and does work. All the birds you've seen today have roles that they play in nature, and it's important for us to remember the role that we must play as humans, and that is to protect our planet and all of the creatures that we share it with. So from all of us here at the World of Birds, and of course all of our feathered friends, we'd like to thank you for joining us, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day here at the Great Los Angeles Zoo. Thank you. This is Pickle. She's the military macaw I mentioned. She's going to be posting up right over here along the edge of stage. If you'd like the chance conservation, Mallory here will show you exactly how to safely hand turn those dollar bills. Last year, Pickle helped us raise $15,000 for the conservation of endangered African vulture species. We really appreciate your support. Thank you.